Gillian. A name that tastes like honey on my tongue.
You're not little Timmy.
I am DJ from the Pizza Pagoda. Little Timmy has spoken to me of this mysterious woman who orders from a restaurant every Saturday night. But I never dreamed you'd be so very beautiful.
I have to get my wallet. Oh, look at that. What do I owe you?
It is I who owe you, Gillian. You see, before this very moment, I did not know what beauty was.
Will you look at that? Romantic, passionate, and he's got a job.
Perhaps it is too bold for a mere pizza franchise owner to ask for an evening of your time.
He's asking you out!
Come on, I don't even know him.
Get over here!
Are you in love with another?
No?
Then perhaps it is me you have been waiting for.
Oh, that is not just a line. That's an adventure.
How's tomorrow night?
Here we go.
Tomorrow night is so very beautiful.
I'm a shoo-in for Genie of the Month.